Hello everyone. Instructional content should be rich and relevant. Often, non-text content such as images, charts, and graphs must be combined with sentences and paragraphs to convey important information. It is imperative to provide text alternatives for sight-impaired learners. One of the quickest ways to do this is to include an alternate or alt HTML attribute within the image tag. An alt attribute is meant to provide a concise description or functional equivalent for an image. When a sight-impaired learner uses assistive technology such as the JAWS or NVDA screen readers to read web content, the screen reader will read and verbalize the alternative text describing the non-text elements. Canvas has tools that will assist you in adding alternate text, so you don't have to know HTML to include it. If you simply want to add alternate text to an existing image, select the existing image in the Content Editor. Click the Embed Image option on the Editor toolbar. Notice that the editor presents a dialog box enabling you to insert or edit an image. From this dialog box, you can enter up to 100 characters of alternate text in the Attributes section. You can also modify the image dimensions. If you want to add an image, place your cursor where you want the image to be located within the Content Editor. Click on the Embed Image option from the Editor toolbar and choose your image from either a web URL, files within Canvas, or a Creative Commons image from Flickr. Enter your alternate text, then click Update. Humans have different systems of remembering. Dual coding theory suggests that both the verbal and visual systems are connected. Since sight-impaired learners use software that reads and verbalizes content, it is best to provide alternate text that describes the information conveyed. Indicating information such as who, what, where, and when will increase the learner's chances of recalling information. If the element is a chart or graph, it is best not only to describe the graph, but also to indicate the significance of the information being presented. A chart can usually be accompanied by a table containing the same information. If an image is too complex to describe successfully, it may be necessary to provide supplemental tactile printouts or 3D models. Insignificant images meant to simply provide some reduction in cognitive load should have null value alternative text, meaning the HTML alt tag should equal empty quotes. If you are working on instructional web-based images outside the Canvas LMS, having some knowledge of HTML is very helpful. Providing an associated caption is a great way to describe an image. In order to associate a caption to an image, the image must first be within a figure tag within the HTML source code. A fig caption can then be placed under the image tag and above the closing figure tag. As mentioned before, the alt attribute is designed to provide a concise description or functional equivalent for an image. For some images, more detail is required to convey all the information contained in an image. A long description attribute is followed by a URL that links to the description. An ARIA describe by property can also be used to tie a description in the surrounding text of an image. You can add alternate text to Word documents and PowerPoint presentations as well. The process is the same for both. Just right-click the image, select Format Picture, and then choose the Layout Properties option from the Format Picture side menu. Choose Alt Text. There you can enter the image title and description. Note, screen readers won't always read the image title, but they will always read the image description. To add a caption, simply right-click the image and select Insert Caption. Make sure the caption describes the important points made in the image. You can check the box Exclude Label from Caption if you don't want a caption label. Thanks.